Welcome to the VM33 tutorial series. The following 4 videos show you basic information about the VM33 camera and the NearStream app, including installing and using the app, connecting VM33s to your device, and using it for live streaming and recording. In this video, we'll download the NearStream app and connect your VM33s. You can follow along on iOS or Android, but in this demo we'll do it on iOS. To start with, go to the App Store and search for NearStream. The app is free, so just install it. For VM33 to work properly, please make sure your mobile device is in a stable network condition and keep Bluetooth on. While waiting for the app to be ready, let's turn on your VM33 first. Press and hold the power button for several seconds. The indicator in the front will turn white and then blue in a few seconds, letting you know it's starting up. Come back to the NearStream app and basically say yes to anything it wants access to. You'll wind up to the Connecting VM33s page. You can connect to multiple cameras. Press the purple Set Up button next to each VM33. On the next screen, tap the Wi-Fi option. Select your network in the list of Wi-Fi networks, and enter the password. Tap Connect on the page bottom, and you're ready to roll. The image will show up in a while. Click the plus button, and then Camera, to repeat the process with other VM33s. Just hit Connect, because VM33 can use the same saved Wi-Fi network info to speed up the process. Now you can easily switch between multicams on the camera page. After setting up and connecting your VM33s, in the next tutorial video we'll learn more about the NearStream app. See you there! Visit us at nearstream.us to learn more.